I'm ripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LX0254. Man, you tune in for another one. Our wiper blades and shit going. As you can see, you got 12 over there. I ain't do it. I swear to God. I didn't do it. But yeah. So what happened was there was an accident. And so some people was pulled over. I was saying exchanging information and shit. So while they were exchanging information and shit, and somebody else who was being nosy ran and had a damn accident too. So that's why it's like two. You can see them back over there somewhere exchanging information. So me on the other hand, I'm headed to Harbor Freight to buy all the motherfucking, I'm going to buy all these fucking paint cup shits. Right, you heard it. I'm finna go buy all them bitches. Every single last one of them. I don't even know how many they got. I might be putting my foot in my mouth, but if I can make it happen, I'm definitely gonna fucking make it happen. I also need to get another PPS system or whatever. I need to get the main cup. That way I can have one for each gun. I think the plan is, I mean, honestly, if I think about it, I could have a gun for clear, a gun for primer, and a gun for primer, clear, and color. Do I need more than one color gun? Because one is for like base coat, one is for the other color. I don't know. It might be just a lot. So I'm not gonna go super duper far down the rabbit hole. But I am finna go knock off all the fucking paint cup refills and at least one more fucking starter kit. And then we'll go from there. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I need like 3 or 4 guns. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, while you know, your first color, it's not like you're gonna run them bitches back to back like that anyway. You know what I'm saying? You do primer, your primer, let that do its thing, then you do your base, then as that shit is curing and doing this shit, clean out your guns, etc., and then you get, boom, your top color, and then you get your clear. Oh my God. So we're finna go on and get this shit popping, man. I'll turn y'all back on when we get there. Alright, so we pulling up to the speeds in mine. You know it be dead when I can pull in here. I don't even like parking this close. I usually park across the street and walk. But it's a little early, and I'm catching these niggas right after Christmas. All the good shit for me, my boy. Yeah. Like, I want all of your fucking paint cups, bitch. I need a basket because it was finna get real. Oh shit. Alright, so we need another one of these. Oh shit, they only got 2? Shit, I didn't know that. I didn't know y'all niggas only had 2. You know what? Fuck it. I'll just get another starter kit. Well, I mean, I could get all the starter kits, right? But then I guess I could only shoot. But see, I guess it don't make sense if you don't have. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I don't know. Alright, fuck it. So we got 3 more starter kits with the cups. We got 2 30-piece refills. And we're gonna take, if y'all wasn't in there live, y'all didn't even know I opened this the last time I was here. And it's still here. So we're gonna take that too. All right, let me make sure there's nothing else we need in here. I was waiting for them to stock up. I didn't know they was gonna have 2. But see, I don't know, because I mean, really, it's not, in reality, it's not the cup. It's the, oh shit, that fell out. In reality, it's not the what's the name? You know what? I'm gonna put one of these back. So I'm gonna just get 2 and 2. Cause I got one at the house, one of these at the house, and then one of these, well, one of those at the house, 2 of these at the house. So honestly, if I run a maximum of 3 guns, I need that one. So that's 1. I got 1 at the house, 2 at the house. No, I got 1 at the house, and then that's 2, and then that's 3. And then I got 2 of the 30-piece refill kits. So yeah, I mean, I probably won't run 4 guns. So, but because this is here, I'm gonna go ahead and run that, so I can run 3 guns or whatever. It makes sense in my mind. Leave me alone. So we'll put this one back. We'll put this one back so somebody can get started. But them refills is mine, my boy. Y'all make sure y'all took it. If anybody complain, be like, I could have took them all. All right, let's see what else we need. Let's see. I feel like I could use another one of them. Heat shrink tubing. Nope, not that one. This is the one we want. 2 of them. We'll be fair. We'll leave some for Cortez. Let's see, electrical clip assortment. Good, are you? I don't need that. We gotta focus, y'all. Focus. All right, let's get out of here. All right, man, let's get everything loaded up. I missed the rest of the sale, man, because they ain't had these shits in stock. Like, I would have bought that shit then, but they ain't have it in stock. How I'ma buy it? Y'all ain't got it in stock.